Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to unarchive accounts on Exness, whether they're real or demo accounts. Here's how it's done. 1. Open the Exness app on your device. 2. Tap on the drop-down arrow at the top of the screen. 3. From the options, select Archived. This will show you all your archived real and demo accounts. 4. Swipe left on the account you want to restore. 5. Tap on Unarchive, and that's it. Your account will be restored instantly. It's super easy and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.